Happy July 4th. I can't believe we are already in July. June just zoomed by, and here we are in July, and many of our kids are actually going back to school this month, which is just crazy to think about. I feel like half of our summer has been spent inside, given the heat waves that we've had rolling on through. Anyway, so let's talk about, is the market also going through a heat wave? Is the market on fire? What's going to happen for the rest of 2025? And in addition, are prices going down? That's the big question I'm getting right now. So let's look at the market as a whole. I like to dig into stats because I think it's very important if you're buying or selling your home to know what is actually happening in the market locally, not just nationally. So when I pulled the stats, as you can see below, the prices are still going up. Sales have still increased, at least in some of the cities around Raleigh. And last month saw a lot of markets that actually had less days on market. So it tended to be a pretty strong June. What we are seeing, and where all the news is coming in, and why we are seeing these price reductions, is given inventory. Inventory has gone up quite a bit compared to what we've seen over the past 5 years, but we're not even in that normal market yet. We're getting close to a normal market, which would be 4 months of inventory. We have about 3.5 months of inventory right now. We're expecting new builds and builders to slow down some of their buildings, so that will help for those that are trying to resell their homes. Secondly, so let's talk about if you are getting ready to sell right now. Gone are the days that a realtor can just take photos with their cell phone and plop your listing in MLS and watch it sell. No, hire an agent like myself that's actually going to market your home, work for you, get top-notch photography, marketing plan, as well as, talk about staging and maybe even light remodel that you'll have to do in your home if you want it to sell for top dollar. And if not, and if the home is outdated, then maybe we just need to price it a little bit more aggressively. That's what I'm seeing in the market right now, is that a lot of the homes that need updates aren't selling as quickly or for as much money as the homes that have been remodeled. Those homes that have been remodeled are still selling over asking price, I feel like, in a market that's not really seeing multiple offers anymore. But it's because people are taking the money that they have and putting that into their down payment. They don't have a lot of excess cash laying around to go in and update homes that were built, even 2012 and prior to that. So next, buyers. If you are a buyer right now is the time to get in. And again, the homes that are in a good location have been updated. They are selling quickly, so it is competitive still in parts of the marketplace. Let's talk about the rest of 2025. We are expecting rates to fall, but not as low as initially predicted. I never thought that they would go under 6%, and now the economists are saying probably closer to 6.35 by year end. In addition, we are expected to see that inventory kind of stay up in this 3.5 to 4 months of normal inventory. And again, prices will probably start to level off, but we have not seen prices go down yet. Although we're seeing price reductions year over year, we're still seeing a small increase. So that brings me to my last question. Are prices going down? Yes, when we're looking at price reductions from that standpoint, it appears that prices are going down. But when we look at our overall Raleigh market, we're still seeing prices inch up from homes when we look back a year ago to today. So that should give you some peace of mind that you're not losing value in your home. And if you are getting ready to sell, certainly reach out, because there are some things that we can do to make your home more competitive in this market, because that's what we have to do right now. Your home cannot just be listed in MLS and expected to sell. We've got to market it and have to get it in show-ready condition. So enjoy the rest of, hopefully not as hot of a July as June, and we'll see you back here in August.